Alright, what's going on, guys? Should have a few hours of sunshine today before the rain comes in around here in Vegas. I'm gonna go out to Hoover Dam and see if I can get in a tour real quick. I know the tours get pretty jammed up here in the morning, but just see what we can do. If not, we'll go back another day. It's 45 minutes to an hour drive from here, depending on traffic and the rush hour. And it is going to rain today, so let's see what we can do before we get in there. All right, see you. In Hoover Dam, I always stop by this Hemingway Park because there's always a herd of these bighorn sheep. This one's just over here grazing, having a good old time. It's only one. Well, I saw another one up in the woods, but there's usually at least 50 or 60, so had to come check it out. Stop every time I'm here. See the two sheep right over here? 1, 2. Bighorn sheep. Pretty crazy out here. Look at that, Hemingway Park. This place is usually packed with bighorn sheep. Male, female, babies. They're usually everywhere. It's the first time I've been out here and there's only been 2. It's crazy. But anyways, there's Lake Mead. Fantastic view from up here. Great. Love this place. Hoover Dam, going to check it out, see if I can get a straight down shot looking down it. Crazy. Alright, so clearly at the Hoover Dam, I'm on the Arizona side. For those of you who don't know, Arizona, Nevada, split by the Colorado River right underneath here. Arizona is in a different time zone most of the year. The line is too long to take a tour, so I'm gonna have to book that ahead of time, but it is what it is, and it's starting to rain anyway, so I'm not gonna be here too long today. Let's do it. Let's walk over the other side. Trying to go up there and get a view looking back at the dam with all the water and the Colorado River and everything. It's gonna be awesome. Let's do this. You know, I've never walked across the Hoover Dam because I've always come with Maverick. Apparently dogs are some kind of security issue on top of the dam. I don't know. Record high water level, Lake Mead, 1983. Completed 1934. 1983. 2019. 1983, 2019. All right, there you have it. We're on the Nevada side of the Hoover Dam now. Now you can see the front face. Here's the bridge. Not allowed to walk past there, no pedestrians. But Hoover Dam in all its glory. Looks awesome. God, it's so far down and the traffic is shaking the bridge. Look at all the traffic coming. Look at this. Right there, shaking the bridge. Oh my God. All right, I'm trying to get out of here quickly. It's starting to rain. The wind's starting to pick up. Let's go check it out.